Tervetuloa everyone and welcome to our new apartment tour.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love.
Happy birthday, Nani!
I'm thinking of taking my time, messing
Ang
my
ganda pala
life
ng view
with the
dito.
mind. Say that you'll stay, holding me
9 p.m. na to
closer,
guys, 9 p.m. na.
baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you
Pwedeng dumaan dito and ayun na yung sala.
Ang forma. Ano, branded yung sombrero. Sodexo.
Sodexo, tapos ito, Ray-Ban. Eh, hindi pala Ray-Ban. Ano to?
Sino yan? Si Julie Rose?
Julie.
Julie Rose.
Si Julie Rose.
Happy birthday, Nani! Nung birthday ko, ito rin suot niya. Di ba? Birthday mo, ito rin. Sa niya. Rice. Dalawang bean sprout.
낯설었겠지 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아
Ang gaganda ng mga tulips.
다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어
Tervetuloa everyone and welcome to our new apartment tour. We officially moved in. Actually, it's been 3 weeks since we came here and we're very excited to share with you the look of our new asunto. Other than that, I will show you the other amenities or other places that is included in this building. By the way, guys, our new apartment is a Caxi Juaneta KTO, which means 2 rooms and a kitchen. Alam niyo ba, it is something new to me. Kasi in a Finnish way of describing or introducing your apartment or house, living area is considered as a room. So I have mentioned we have 2 rooms. One is the living area and one is the bedroom. Diba unlike in the Philippines na kapag tinanong tayo, ilan kwarto nyo? We just mentioned the numbers of bedroom. But in Finland, living area is considered as a room. So let's start with our attainment or our entryway. As you can see, we only have 1 door unlike on our previous apartment which is 2 doors. And we don't have any peephole here. And dito is meron tayong letter through. So dito pumapasok yung mga letters and bills na dumadating sa amin. And on the side, we'll see a cabinet here for shoes and cleaning materials. Na-mention ko na din to before that in Finland, it's a common cultural practice to remove a shoes before entering a home. That's why meron mga shoe rack or shoe cabinet in the attainment and dito na iiwan yung mga sapatos. Sa harap ng aming shoe cabinet, gumawa kami dito ng maliit play area for our son since napakadami niyang toys. And we got this IKEA storage in ukay. IKEA storage pero sa ukay. And then we have here a door which is a little storage area. Dito na rin kami nagsasampay ng mga clothes and also yung mga maleta namin. Malaking space din siya actually. Meron din kami ditong wall-mounted coat rack but we decided to place here the hubby and wife's party potion. So on the other side is our kulpuhuwane. Meron tayo ditong floor heater. Ba ang tawag dyan? And this is the look. As you can see, we have here a long narrow cabinet. We also have this washing machine which we bought for convenience. By the way, before I forgot, meron din tayo ditong doorbell camera. So if ever merong tao sa baba ng building, they'll just call with our apartment number and we can unlock the door. Moving on, let's check out the rest of the area. After the entryway, ang unang bubungad sa inyo is our KTO or kitchen. It's not too big but super functional. We have enough cabinet spaces here, and we love how it's laid out. Perfect lang for quick meals or even cooking something a bit fancier on the weekend. Upon renting this apartment, this hella is already included. We also have here a bread cutter, which is very common in a Finnish kitchen since Finnish people love breads. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano siya nag-work, but yeah, ganyan siya. Let's go here to one of the best part of a Finnish kitchen. And also one of my favorite is this multifunctional drying rack or drying cabinet. So pag naghugas kayo ng plato, pwede nyo na sila dito i-direct store kahit medyo basa pa siya. May mga holes dyan and then magtutuluan lang yung water dyan and it will still directly go to the sink. Etong knife folder na to, natsambahan lang namin to sa Kieratus Keskus. Nabili lang namin siya for 5 euro. Ang brand nito is Clas Ohlson. Napakaganda niyan and very worth it for 5 euro. On the other side of the kitchen, you'll see we have this very tiny dining area. Since tatlo lang naman kami, so it's just perfect for our family. And on the side, you'll see the living area. This is our olahuone or our living room. This one is our favorite spots. Maluwag siya compared to our previous place and it is where we chill and watch movies. We are still adding some decors pero so far it's starting to reflect our style. Same pa rin naman yung mga things na nandito from our previous apartment dahil itong mga gamit na to is sa amin na talaga. So yung sofa, itong table, itong TV taso, and itong chair na nakuha namin sa basurahan on our previous apartment. Nandito pa rin siya. And this Hulu. Ang nadagdag lang is itong carpet na nabili lang din namin sa IKEA for I think 24 euro. So yun yung pinakamurang carpet na nabili namin. As you can see also, we have here a very huge windows. And this is the view from outside. Pakita ko na rin to from the other videos. Yun lang, we don't have any parvik eh. Anyway, so let's head over now to our bedroom or the makuhuane. So you'll see 2 doors dito pero isa lang yung daanan niya. Kumbaga isang room pa rin yung papasukan. This is the look of our bedroom. It's very quiet and cozy, perfect for relaxing after a long day. So we also have here a huge cabinet for our clothes. On this side, we have space for a small work area where usually I do my homeworks and dito rin ako minsan nag-edit ng video. And then this one, ito namang huge mirror na to. Nakita namin to sa IKEA and then nag-check kami online sa marketplace. So may nakita kaming binibenta for only 30 euro. Sa IKEA is 50 euro siya. May whole body mirror na ulit tayo. Balik Yepo apparel na. Charis. Uy! The look of our bedroom is not big but it's enough for a family of 3. From this area, andito yung isang pintuan. Ayun yung isa. So, same lang siya. Dahil pwede ka rin dumaan dito and ayun na yung sala. And now, check naman natin yung other facilities na meron dito sa ating building. So, let's go. Dito sa floor natin is merong fire exit. Eh, katakot eh, Mama Mia. Yan yung itsura niya. Ang ganda pala ng view dito. Main floor, we have 2 main doors. Dito. And then, dito. Dito ako madalas dumadaan kapag pumapasok ako ng school. We also have another door there. Yun naman is for the indoor parking. So, let's go on this side. Pagpasok dito, there's another storage. Mostly for mga strollers and other stuff. Dito yung laundry area sa baba pa ng first floor. Sa underground. Ito meron pa isa. Bike storage. Exit din dito. Then, ito yung laundry area. So, dating apartment, sulat lang. Dito, nakaganyan. Oh, bongga. Di pa...
may tinatap dito para...
Pero pwede naman kasing online.
Okay. Pwede rin online. Kung ayaw mo nang bumaba dito para magpa-reserve, pwedeng online. Pwede rin baba ka dito dyan. Tsaka magpapa-reserve. Tapos, ganito yung mga plancha nila dito. Yan, plancha yan. So, dito is merong dryer and washing. Ito yung washing. Washing, tapos dryer. Na? And then, dito naman yung drying room.
This is a quick look of what a sauna looks like. First time ko lang din makakapasok sa sauna. So, dito is meron ng available na shower. Doon is may parang waiting area and lagay ng mga gamit. Dito pa lang sa labas, ang init na. No? And ito yung itsura ng sauna. Wow! Oh, ang init! Ang init! Init nga siya. Ano ito? Okay. Meron ditong pintuan. Diretso to sa labas. After mag-sauna, pwedeng lumabas dito, magpalamig. And ganito yung view. 9 PM na to, guys. 9 PM na. Then, pwede ka ulit balik sa sauna para magpainit. And ganito siya kalaki. Yan. Dalawa kasi yung sauna. Ito yung isa. And dito kami nakaschedule.
Grabe, ang sarap ng feeling. Parang namula yung mukha ko. So, that's it for today's video. Bye, everyone! Hey, pa! Nalilito. Magsauna ang mga people and ngayon mag-chill na ang magjusawa and may bago kami na-discover. Pinuksan na namin yung alak namin so pag iinom kami easy na lang. Hugot na lang. You know. Very good.
Inuman.